Looking for a shift interlock latch that fits perfectly and works like the original? This replacement latch is engineered to match both the fit and function of your vehicle's factory part. Designed specifically for certain models, it ensures seamless integration without any guesswork or modifications. When the original latch fails, it can disrupt your driving experience and safety. This replacement restores full functionality, letting you shift gears smoothly and confidently again. Made from quality materials, it offers durability that stands up to daily wear and tear, giving you long-lasting performance you can trust. Backed by a team of U.S.-based product experts with over a century of automotive experience, this latch combines proven design with reliable craftsmanship. You're not just getting a part, you're getting peace of mind knowing it's built to meet strict quality standards. To make sure this latch fits your vehicle exactly, simply enter your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool before purchasing. This step guarantees compatibility, so you avoid the hassle of returns or mismatched parts. One user from the United States praised its perfect fit, noting that although removing the old latch was a bit tricky, installing this one was straightforward. The metal construction replaced a plastic part, solving their problem effectively and restoring smooth operation. If you've been dealing with a faulty shift interlock latch, this replacement is worth a look. It delivers what you need: a direct fit, restored function, and durable materials that last. No unnecessary modifications or delays, just reliable performance that gets you back on the road. Try it when you're ready to fix your vehicle's shifting issue with confidence. Enter your vehicle details, check compatibility, and experience the difference a quality replacement part can make. It's a simple upgrade that matters every time you drive.